I'm usually the one planning.
I like to have something to look forward to.
If I have to bail on someone, it's got to be a good reason.
I just won't turn up because I've forgotten, especially if I'm really busy.
She flaked on me last week Friday.
I would much rather stay in bed and watch Netflix.
I won't let you be flaky this summer though.
I would probably say that I am not the flaky friend, just because I'm quite an organised person, and usually when I meet up with friends, like, I'm the person to organise it.
I'm definitely one of those friends that has to be reminded of like social events and stuff, because otherwise I just won't turn up because I've forgotten.
When I have plans, I have plans and they stick. I think it's really bad when people turn around last minute and say, no, I've got a particular friend who I absolutely love, but she is the worst with organisation plans. I'll ask her to stay around mine, and then she will tell me about an hour before, oh, I can't make it.
Definitely not the flaky friend in my group. I'm always reminding my friends like where to be when we meet and what time as well.
I feel like I'm the person who's always like texting, saying meet up at this time, meet up, come to my house, do this, do that, because I just like being organised and I like having days out with my friends.
I am 100% the flaky friend because I don't make plans with people, and if you want to make plans with me, then I'm going to cancel them the day before, because I would much rather stay in bed and watch Netflix than go outside. Sorry.
Flaky friend, I mean, I'm the one who makes all the things. Like, my friend suggested it, I plan it all.
I normally do like to make plans with people, and I do normally like to stick with it. And if I can't stick with it, I would obviously tell them beforehand and try and reschedule. Unless I really didn't want to go, then I'd be like, oopsie, I'm not coming. Only time I would cancel probably if like I wasn't feeling well or I didn't like the weather. If it was raining, I really don't like going out when it's raining.
I'm usually the one planning and like organising the events, so I feel like I'm often the one reminding other people of them. I mean, obviously I forget things, but yeah, I'm often the one reminding other people.
I don't think I've ever organised anything for my friends for something for all of us to do. So
I think I'm the one that's always like suggesting we should go places, or like suggesting different plans. Like, I don't really forget like stuff because usually I like to have something to look forward to.
As a friend, I do think I try and organise plans. I mean, my friends can tell me otherwise, but sometimes my friends do have to remind me of plans, especially if I'm really busy and I'm not thinking about a social life. So yeah, I think there's both cases for me.
I have a friend, her name is Alison. You might have seen her in a video or two before. She is the flakiest friend I have ever had, or anyone I know. She's the flakiest person ever. Every time we all like try to go out, she just has some type of excuse, mainly because she forgets, and she's just like a goldfish. She has no memory, she's just rubbish. But I love her, but still.